Yeah, so here's the game. By the way, quick shout out to Mark Vasquez, my friend, and 420, because they're pretty cool and I like their YouTube channel. They have some pretty funny content. And if I don't forget, I'll try to link their channels in the description. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to them. Alright, so let's get into this game. I really like being a captain guard and flying the helicopters. So let's see if I could try to do that. Ooh, helicopter. On time. Wait, oh. I do not know. Helicoopter! My helicopter! No! You're not fair. You're not very fair now, are you, sir? No! You took me out of my helicopter. That was my helicopter. You took my helicopter, sir. It's super laggy. Super laggy. Oh, there's a helicopter. Oh, where did the helicopter go? Whoa, this is like super laggy. And when it's on camera, it's even more laggy. Yeah. I almost didn't see that if I was recording or not. Because this thing's really acting retarded. Okay, now I know for sure it's recording. Oh yeah. Oh, sweet victory. I gotta get them guns. And I shouldn't get left behind. No. Leave me alone. Don't kill me. Oh, damn you. I didn't think he saw me. Yeah, stuffed toilet bathroom. Oh, this looks like some good toilet water. Oh, yeah. My favorite kind of toilet water. Let's see what we got here. What is this? Open. Oh, I thought I got a good one. Now I just got a sucky one. Yellow? I guess. I want gold. Or hungry dino. No, I hate flowered. I thought I already got flowered. Okay, whatever. One more try. We could do this. Don't be lame. Ogre! Ogre, yes! Now that makes it worth it. But where are they? Okay. Oh, I'm gonna show you a cool hack for this game. Okay. So there's like a little area where you could get guns, and my friend Mark showed me this. You just press C, and you'll get in here. Then you could get all the guns and, you know, kill people. Yeah. And Mark would always get stuck here. So yeah, because he has a cheese head. Cheese. Oh my gosh, my stomach really hurts right now and I feel like diabetes. Damn it, I'm stuck here now. Ha, great. Oh, I think I made it. Yay. So let's go destroy some people like bacon-haired noobs. But yeah, I don't know, I'm a noob too. So what do we do here now? I really want to fly a helicopter. That's all I want to do. Oh, there was a helicopter. Come for me. Oh, come. Oh, I made it. Can I get a helicopter too? Can I get a helicopter too? Please. No, damn you. Can I get a helicopter too? As you can see, I don't type very fast. Okay, thanks, I guess. See? Yeah, you see me rolling? They hated with this noob. Oh, okay. Bye. Oh, shoot. You left me. And I don't know how to get a helicopter. Oh, shoot. You didn't see that. Oh, that was so scary. I'm gonna go up. I'm just gonna. Stupid! You should have dropped me off at the other place. I'm just gonna run away. No! No. Oh, police car. Tell me where you see. No. You're not being so fair. Ah, I hate you! Dumb noob. Ugh. Whatever. I think the guy's coming back. I just want to be Captain Car, okay? And I doubt we have enough time in this video to do that. Oh, 4 seconds. So, I'm gonna try to get a helicopter, and once I've accomplished that, I'll see you, I guess. I'll try, and if I don't get to, I'll come back. Take on me, take on me, take me on, take on me. I'll be gone in a day or two. Uh-oh. That wasn't a cop, was it? Okay. Take on me. No. Take. No. My joyride. Aw, dead. Anyways, I still haven't gotten the helicopter, but I'm on my way. Guess who got a helicopter? Yay! I finally got it. I finally did it after trying. People kept stealing my helicopter, so yeah. I mean, it was pretty cool. And pretty much a waste of time because I'm not going to be able to do anything. I had a key card, but a noob cop stole it from me. So now I have really nothing to do except honking. Oh, you can't hear honks, that's right. Because this recorder will not even record sound. But whatever, let's free prisoners. All this time, I spent over 2 hours trying to do this. And this is what I get. Oh, great. Whatever. We'll deal with it, I guess. Get in before I leave you, maggots. I will leave you. No one else? Okay, everyone's AFK, okay. So let's go. We're going on a trip to our favorite rocket ship, soaring through the sky. Little Einsteins. Oh, there's a copper. Well, there's nothing I can do about that. Scrub cop, I'm down. I escape with cardo. I'm reading the chat. Let's escape. There's a heli on one of the tall buildings. Take me there. Okay. Oh, I thought that was the guest who talked. I don't know what building he's talking about. Tall building. download this map? I gotta ask this dude where, because I have no idea. Never mind, I will go to the base. Okay. He's one of the leaders to a thing. Oh! He just jumped out! What a mongoloid! I escaped. Now where do I go? To your mom's house. I probably shouldn't have landed here. Wow, I'm such a noob. Before I was really good at flying the plane, I guess, but I don't know. Now I want to rob the bank, but how exactly do we do that? I'm gonna need to get a prisoner guard thing. Yeah, that's the correct term. I need to get a key card from one of the things, from one of the guards. Yeah. But this map won't even load, so I can't see anything. I don't know where I'm going. We're going on a trip to our favorite island. Darling goes in the sky. Little Einstein. No, gosh. Is that a copper? Okay, let's get more peeps. Wow, I thought this was gonna be really fun, but we can't do anything. Oh, copper. Is that a copper? Is that a copper? I think that's a copper. Let's just go for this. Cops are so easy to steal from. Oh wait, there's someone else. It's super laggy. I guess that's all I'm taking. We're going on a trip. I want to start a bank robbery. Get us to the roof. Base? Oh, okay. I think he meant here. I don't get you. These controls. Hurry, move it, maggots. Let me down to the base, by the way. Parachute. Oh, okay. I don't get this guy, and this game is becoming really boring. And I only have like 2 minutes left of recording, so I didn't get to do much. But at least I got my helicopter. I do not know where I am going. Oh shoot, I lost the way. This is my last minute of recording, and I'm not sure where to spend it. No, I'm not. Should I try? No, I worked hard for this plane. Here. Lol, you thought. Well, yeah, so like I said, go subscribe to Mark and 420. So yeah, this video is gonna end soon, but let's keep driving along. Bye, guys. Well, I'm just gonna enjoy this flight. There's not much I could do because it's the end of the video. Go subscribe. Okay? Subscribe to everyone. Bye, guys.